To apply DC Advance Level 2, go to DG's website and you have to enter user ID and password here and login. After login, you will come down and you will see DC Endorsement GMDSS Radio Operator option, and after click on that you will see application for DC endorsement for Advanced Level 2. Click on that and you will see DC Endorsement Application Advanced Level 2. In this, you have to fill up the personal detail. You have to check name of the candidate, date of birth, place of birth, passport number, CDC issue date, nationality, endorsed number, CDC number, and CDC issue place. And in application detail, you have to select office applied to, and you will see DC Endorsement Application Advanced Level 2. In this, you have to fill up the personal detail. You have to check name of the candidate, date of birth, place of birth, passport number, CDC issue date, nationality, endorsed number, CDC number, and CDC issue place. And in application detail, you have to select office applied to, whichever MMD you want, you can apply from that. So select MMD as per your convenience and select your present rank from here. And after that, select your grade, like second mate, chief mate, or master. Select COC issue date as per your COC. And now select existing DC endorsement. You have basic or advanced. Like I have advanced, then I have to select advanced. And here select DC endorsement issue date. We have to select the date as per your DC endorsement. Whichever DC you are applying, like chemical DC or oil tanker DC or gas DC. So application type you have to select new or renewal. So I will select renewal. One pop-up will come to confirm it. After that, tanker type. This is chemical tanker, gas tanker, or oil tanker. Now select chemical tanker and here enter the COC number, DC endorsement number from here, and DC endorsement expiry date from this option. Then we will select continue, and number 2, you have to fill up your home address, home number, street, village, and office applied to, and after that district. Select, and here you select your state along with your PIN code. Mode of certification will be by post only. If you enter your email address and mobile number. After that, continue. And number 3 will be modular course. Here you have to enter your certificate number and date of issue. In the first column you will get advanced training in firefighting AFF. Enter your certificate number and date of issue. In number 2, select refresher training for advanced firefighting. Here put the certificate number and date of issue. In number 3, you have to select advanced chemical DC, gas DC, or oil DC. Accordingly you have to select, and in this section you have to put the certificate number and date of issue, then continue. In number 4, you have to enter the sea service details. Take your CDC, enter details as per that CDC. Name of vessel, vessel type, whether it is chemical tanker, oil tanker, or gas tanker. Select port of registry. In rank, which rank at that time, from date to date, sign on and sign off date as per CDC, and present rank, and type of cargo you have carried on that vessel. Like that you have to add one by one. Now come to number 5, fees detail. So here is one note: online payment to be made after application number generated. Fees once paid will not be refunded. So once you click on that continue, so it will it will take you on gateway of payment. So you have to make payment of 4500. And in number 6, after the payment, your application number will be generated. So here we have to keep ready. Scan copy of signed online application, passport size photograph 3.3 centimeter and 3.5 centimeter, and scan signature of seafarer. So these are most important. If your photograph and scan signature are both are incorrect as per their specification, and if these have blurred, so your application will be rejected. To be very careful. So you have to keep ready scan modular course certificate in one PDF. Certificate from company should be mentioned in the name of chemical, gas cargo carried along with their grade. You have to ask a cargo certificate from your company, self-attested, scan copy of CDC booklet also. And here you have to agree. Click on agree, then you will continue. And after you will make the payment, then you will get a section of uploading document. So as per that, you have to upload all the documents. Once you come on this section, down below on left side, pay COC and COP fees, upload document and view status. So you can view status from here. Click on that, and in this section you will get whatever your document are incorrect as per their requirement. You will get a remark or query. So you have to correct accordingly and upload accordingly.